Hello, welcome to class of mathematics. Today let us have a new chapter based related to area of plane figures. You are going to learn. Area of a rectangle, area of a square, area of a circle, along with the perimeters. How to find the perimeters of these plane figures also you are going to learn. What is area? The surface covered by the figure is called the area of the figure. Area means the extent of surface or the surface covered by a figure. The surface covered by a figure is called the area of the figure. And I told you are going to learn about how to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle, how to find the area and perimeter of a square, area and perimeter of a circle, semicircle, and so. This much you are going to learn. Let us learn first about rectangle. Okay? It is needless to tell you what is a rectangle. You know that a rectangle is a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are equal. And one pair of opposite sides are length, other pair is breadth, each angle is 90 degree. So, in short, I wrote length, breadth. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. If we multiply length and breadth of a rectangle, we get the area of a rectangle. That means the total surface, the total space, means how much surface covered by this rectangle. Here this inside portion, that is the area of rectangle. Then what is perimeter? You know that perimeter means the total length of the boundary of the figure. If we start from here, this plus this plus this plus this. Sum of all the sides of the rectangle is the perimeter of the rectangle. And in a rectangle we know that two lengths and two breadths are there. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. And now let me explain you. If you know L and B, you can find area. Similarly, if you know breadth and area, you can find length. Area by breadth gives you length of the rectangle. Same way, breadth if you want to find, and if you know area and length, area by length also gives you breadth. And when we come to perimeter also same thing. For perimeter in short we say take as P. So length if you want to take, bring this to this side, perimeter by 2 minus breadth. And if you want to have breadth, perimeter by 2 minus length. But actually if you are able to remember these two, whatever will be given to you, remaining things, here area A, L, B, out of 3, if you know any two, other one you can find by using this formula. You need not remember this, automatically you will get it. Okay? Now, let us have for square. What is a square? It is also a rectangle. But here in a square, all the sides are equal. Square is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. In a rectangle, the difference between rectangle and square is here opposite sides are equal, whereas here all the sides are equal. In a rectangle, each angle is 90 degree. In a square is also each angle is 90 degree. Generally, we take A for the side of a square. Just like here, area of rectangle length into breadth. Area of a square is side into side. Area of a square is side into side. A into A means A square. Similarly, perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. A plus A plus A plus A, you will get 4 into A. So now, if you know the area and if you want to find the side of a square, you have to find square root of area. A square is area. So A side equal to square root of area. Similarly, if you know the perimeter and if you want to find the side of a square, perimeter by 4. Perimeter divided by 4 gives you the side of a square. If you know the perimeter, you can use this formula. If you know area and if you want to find the side, we can use this formula. Okay? So this is all about rectangle and square. You have to learn for solving the problems, and for this year you have to learn this much. Now let us learn how to find the area and perimeter of a circle and also semicircle. So let us learn for a circle how to find. You know that what is a circle? It is a closed curve. Okay? From the center to any point is said to be the radius of the circle. If you want to find the area of a circle, you have the formula pi r square, where the value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Unless specified, you have to use the value of pi as 22/7 always. That means the surface covered by the circle is pi r square. If you know the radius and if you want to find area, pi means 22/7 into r square. If you do, you will get the area of a circle. And for the circle, instead of saying perimeter, we use the word circumference. Okay? Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi into radius gives you circumference of the circle. That is, the total length of the boundary of the circle is called the circumference of the circle, 2 pi r. Then, what is a semicircle and how to find the area and perimeter of a semicircle? We know that the diameter of a circle divides the circle into two semicircles. This is R, this is R. Okay? Semicircle, this is the diameter, this is complete circle, this is the diameter. So area of a semicircle is half of the area of the circle. That is pi r square by 2. And for the semicircle, we won't say circumference, but we say perimeter because your line segment is there. So perimeter means the total length of the boundary of the semicircle is the perimeter of the semicircle. You see, children, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. That means complete the curve length is 2 pi r. Half of that is pi r. This is half curve. Along with this, diameter is also there, which is equal to 2 radius. This is one radius, this is another radius. So, perimeter of a semicircle is pi r plus 2r. If you take r common, you will get r into pi plus 2. So, this is what is your how to find the area and circumference of a circle and area and perimeter of a semicircle. Now, what are the common units of area and perimeter? Whether it is rectangle, square, circle, semicircle, the common units of area are common units I am saying cm square or meter square, and the common units of perimeter are cm or meter. You may have millimeter square, kilometer square, decimeter square, but commonly we use cm and meter. For area, cm square or meter square, and for perimeter we get centimeter or meter. This is all about your area based on rectangle, square, circle and semicircle. Thank you.